This year marks 10 years of HP multi-jet fusion technology. But this isn't just a story about a machine. It's the story of an ambitious group of people who believed manufacturing could be reinvented and decided to do something about it. Every breakthrough begins with a question. What if 3D printing wasn't just for prototypes? What if it could truly scale?
Everything started inside the large format printing division in Sant Cugat, almost quietly. We were a small group of enthusiastic and brave people, very ignorant, but with their corresponding good dose of luck.
The world was buzzing. Headlines promised printed organs, buildings, even life on the moon. FDM patents were expiring. Startups were everywhere. But the technology wasn't ready for true manufacturing.
HP is bringing its 30-year print expertise to 3D.
There was a moment when we realized that the schedule was insane. We were pushing boundaries every single day. Nobody asked if it was possible. We made it possible.
We're announcing the HP Jet Fusion 3D Printing Solution.
New platforms, new materials, polymers, then metals. Labs and demo centers grew. From Barcelona to Vancouver, Corvallis, Palo Alto, and Singapore. In March 2020, we received a call from a hospital. They told us they were running out of protective equipment and running out of time. So we stopped everything else.
Over a weekend, we designed face shield. By Monday, we had prototypes. Logistics were frozen, so we used taxis to deliver parts directly to hospitals. Doctors would test them, call us back, and we would iterate immediately.
In 2 weeks, critical components were medically approved and in use.
The focus shifted from printers to developing applications. Orthotics and prosthetics, drones, automotive, industrial applications, real production, real impact.
The market changed, but our belief didn't. We knew that real manufacturing didn't disappear, it just evolved. And with multi-jet fusion, customers were solving real problems faster than ever.
Ten years later, the journey continues.
New platforms.
New idea
And the same ambition.
That started it all.
This is just the beginning.
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 This is just the beginning.